Hello and welcome to Trains and Viettic and a Wednesday video. I'll first of all introduce what's happening with Wednesdays and I'll show you what we got in front of me. But first of all, now for the titles. Like you can see, this is a Wednesday video. Wednesdays will focus on three things. Either they're going to be a live stream, they're going to be a product unboxing, or they'll be going into detail on something that I have just shown you. So if it's something which I think need a bit more explanation or something specialist, I'll do that on a Wednesday. If I get any nice new toys, I'll unbox them on a Wednesday. And I might also do live streams on Wednesdays as well. So if there's anything interesting in for news or anything like that, that's model railway news, I'll do that on a Wednesday. And you might get some live builds on Wednesdays. So Wednesdays are going to be an additional thing for the time being. I don't know how long they'll last for. But this is in addition to my Saturdays video. So today's unboxing, so we can have a look what I got in the box. Recently for me, I don't know how recently for you, I went down to the Derby show and I went to the model, one of the stalls was the model tree shop, and I picked up this and this box here. So the first thing is a grass mat. Can I zoom out to make it any bigger? No, I can't. So this is for one of her grass mats. So let's take it out and see what it's like. So this is a grass mat. It's on paper and then it's mounted on the card, and there's instructions on how to remove it from the card. And you can see you've got different textures in it, different heights, and completely different to what I normally use. But this will be quite nice, as it means I can instantaneously get a different texture. You can see it's made out of static grass, earth tones and different colour grasses. So this is, does this have any information? This is just a grass mat. So yep, I'll put this in the back in its box, and then I'll show you what's in the box underneath. As well as making individual trees, actually I should tell you a bit about the company. The company make trees different scales and in different methods. This is one of a WHO gauge medium sets. They have small sets and large sets, and they making trees in different materials. So you've got plastic trees, you've got twisted trees, you've got copper trees if I remember correctly, and they're all to represent real trees. So I picked up this box. This was for a £25 box, and it come with those trees there. Link to their website will be at the bottom of the screen right now. So if this encourages you to buy some of it, go onto their website and buy some. So they're very nice. At the stand, they would take everything out and let me to have a look. So I'll take these out and then we can have a look as I go along. So this is the first tree. I'm not sure what it represents. That is one of our medium trees. There we got this one as well. Does this actually say what trees they are? On their webpage they have a link to what all the trees are. But this is a very nice selection, so they're standing without any problems, and you can see that there's a nice range of people. I don't mean a range of people, I mean a range of sizes. So, they come very nicely packed in these little plastic bags. So that's another tree, and you got different materials as well. Just opening a big tree. I like how the trees are packed, as it's nice to see if they're protected well. So, ooh, this is a nice tree. I like how you've got gaps in it. And I think I know something that will go in there quite nicely. So, I'm really impressed with what I'm bringing out so far. You will see these used throughout the layout. But I think the first place you'll see these, or you might have already seen them, is at the hill above the tunnel portal. So this is whereabouts I bought this from. It was a very hard decision choosing between the 25 bots and £50 bots, but I chose this selection. If you look here, you can see this is a nice plastic moulding with a material on top. And unlike the fallow trees, I don't have any loose material from these. These have been built to a very high standard. And so far every single tree have just stood up as I placed it. So just got 2 more trees left in the box. This is another big tree. So that one goes just there. And then for the final tree, you might have seen I've got other bits on my desk, but that's other projects I'm working on at the moment. So in this box we've got 2 large trees, 1, 2, 3 medium trees, 3 small trees and 2 tiny trees. And these trees would look really nice throughout the layout. I'm thinking that this one here will be the first one to be used, along with this tree here, and I might also take that one there. So let's move the rest along. So just moving these around. So those 2 really complement each other, but you can see that they are different trees. And then that would go quite nicely, so you would get an instant scene just using a few trees. And then you can complement it with some of the cheaper trees around just behind it, so you've got the nice ones at the front, then a few behind. But I'm really pleased with this pack. Next time I see them, I most probably will pick up some more. They're really well made. I can't remember the last time I opened a box of trees and they all just stand up without any fiddling. So I'm happy with this purchase and I would recommend it. So we got the trees, And then we got the grass mat. Let me just open that up. So just place a grass mat down there. Move a few trees about. And they both complement each other very nicely. The grass mats need to be glued down if you're going to put trees on it, but you can see that that tree looked like it could just go there nicely. So let's move the camera down a bit. So about that. And that looked really nice. So that's the bits I bought from that company, for Model Tree Company. They're very nice people. They take card, and if you see them at the show, pop over and have a look. So thank you for watching my video. See you on Saturday for my next video, which I can't remember what it is. So I'll see you all on Saturday. Thank you very much, Richard.